Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been active, I'm sorry about that, but I'm here now and today I'm going to be giving myself freckles. So I'm not going to have the intro be too long, so I guess let's just get into it. So I don't know, sorry, don't mind this. I guess probably because I think freckles are so cute. Like when people cover up their freckles, I'm like, why would you do that? But I guess you want what you can't have, and I have no freckles, just bumps on my face. May look like freckles. So today I will be using Kiss Quick Cover Semi-Permanent Natural Black hair dye. I got this from my friend Kennedy. Shout out to Kennedy. She actually did fake freckles with this, so I wanted to try it. I asked her about it, and yeah, this is just what she used. I also wanted to apologize for the police and ambulance noises you're gonna hear. Yeah, I didn't know you guys were gonna be able to hear them so hard. Sorry for that in advance. It's not the whole video, but yeah, love y'all, bye. So I have this and this bowl and toothpicks and or bobby pin. I just lost the bobby pin. Oh, I found it. Ooh, there's an ambulance. Can y'all hear that? I hope they're okay. Oh, they're doing a drive-by for these twins' birthday that live next to me. That's so cute. If y'all can hear that, I'm sorry. We are gonna get to the mixing. So I think it's open. It's not open.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs.
I don't know. How are we? It's coming out now. So we don't need that much. Just a little bit, since we are gonna be just dotting it, I guess. I'm gonna close that because I will get killed if that stay there. I guess you just dot it. Let me get a mirror. Okay, so I'm back with a mirror and we are gonna dip now. First one, and I already don't like it, but so I think I'm gonna switch to this. Don't mind me just talking to no one. Okay, bye. This would be enough. Should I do more? I don't know, y'all. When I do it, I guess for they said I want it to end abruptly. I want it to end like a taper off. So I think I'm just gonna do that. It's not even. I know freckles aren't supposed to be even, but now it's like, that's just gonna have to do. So, okay, so I think I'm done. Don't mind this big one. I don't really plan on fixing it. I know it looks a hot mess right now. I look a hot mess right now. This whole thing might turn out to be a hot mess, but I really have nowhere to go. So yeah, I think now I might just wait maybe an hour. My friend said she waited an hour or something. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Now what I'm gonna do in the hour? Update, it's been about 30 minutes. I still have to wash it off. But yeah. This one's so big. So big. But yeah, it's been like 30 minutes, I think. But yeah, tune in later. Okay, so they feel, well, I guess they're not all the way dry. So, I'll wait longer. I just finished. My hair's all crazy because y'all saw the stuff, but
Oh my god, what is that?
I'm impatient and it got all smeared, so I think that I should just try to wipe it off. Okay, so I just took it off and it looks really natural. Wow. I love it so much. I didn't think it was gonna like do it, but it did. It looks so cute. So yeah, I would say this is not a fail. Probably if I would have left it on for longer, there would have been more of an effect, but I like it. So I think I would do this again. Shout out to Kennedy for giving me the idea. But yeah, I'm back now. It's like very faint, but I like it. You can't even tell when you're up, but like when you're up close you can see a little bit, but I like it. So I would say that this was really good. I would do this again. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to do faux freckles, hair dye is the way to go. So yeah, I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. I know the video was like short and probably pointless, but I liked it a lot. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the break. Sorry, but I will have more videos coming out. But yeah, I will see you guys next time.